Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the perimeter. So what is perimeter? The perimeter of a shape is the total distance around its boundary. In simple words, if you walk all the way around a shape, the distance you travel is its perimeter. Let's start with some basic shapes. For a rectangle, the perimeter is found by adding up all four sides. Since a rectangle has two equal lengths and two equal widths, the formula is P is equal to 2 multiplied by open bracket length plus width close bracket. For a square, all sides are equal, so the perimeter is just 4 multiplied by side length. For a triangle, you simply add all three sides together. For a circle, we use a special formula. The perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2πr, where r is the radius of the circle. Let's look at a quick example. If a rectangle has a length of 8 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters, then p is equal to 2 multiplied by open bracket 8 plus 5 close bracket, which is 26 centimeters. Another example, if a square has side length 6 centimeters, then perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied by 6, which is 24 centimeters. So to summarize, perimeter means total distance around a shape. Rectangle, P is equal to 2 open bracket length plus width close bracket. Square, P is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Triangle, add all three sides. Circle, circumference is equal to 2πr. And that's all you need to know about perimeter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.